In this video, I will show you how to add and set up Carlbot on Discord. So to get started, go ahead and open Discord into your device. So head over into the Discover section and then search for Carlbot in here. So on the results, go ahead and click on Carlbot. And then once you're in here, you'll find this Add App button at the right side of Carlbot. Click on that. And then once you're in here, go ahead and select the server where you want to incorporate Carlbot. And then on the next step, you need to go ahead and authorize permissions or access to this bot to your server. So once you have authorized access, go ahead and confirm that you are a human by clicking on this reCAPTCHA. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and proceed on your server to check if you have successfully added Carlbot. So once you have added it, go ahead and open the Carlbot dashboard into another tab. In here, click on that quick setup button at the left side of your screen below settings. So click on that to be able to start setting up this bot into your server. So click on the get started button, and then in here, go ahead and incorporate custom prefixes, so you can have up to 15 prefixes. Go ahead and customize the welcome message for your server. And then after that, click on the next button to be able to proceed with the reaction rules. So in here, go ahead and create reaction rules. So there are some templates that you can choose from. And then you can also set the color of the embedded accent. And then after that, go ahead and click on that create reaction role button, and this will be added into that specific area of your server where you have added this. And then click on that next button, and then go ahead and set up the moderation, so you can mute rules, and then you can also set up the channel where mod logs would be shown. So after that, you can go ahead and proceed with the next step, which is the automation. So click on that next button again to be able to proceed with the next step. Then here, go ahead and set up automated moderation. So as you can see, you can go ahead and set it into off or custom, minimal, medium, and high. So I would like mine to be at high automation. So after this, you can go ahead and head back into your channel, to your server, and then check if this changes has been incorporated into your server. And that is how you can basically add and set up Carlbot on Discord.